In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and upload an email list to Substack. If you're managing a newsletter or a similar type of content platform, efficiently handling your email list can be essential. The process is straightforward and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First things first, let's head over to the Substack homepage. If you're not logged in already, go ahead and do so. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Settings option. It's typically located in the menu on the left side of your screen. Clicking on Settings will open a new menu. This is where you will find various options to customize your Substack account. Among these options, you should see Import/Export. Go ahead and click on that. Now you're at the Import/Export page, which is the main hub for managing your subscribers. Here, you'll see a button that says Import Emails. Click this button. Doing so will present you with two primary options for adding subscribers. The first option is to manually type in email addresses. Simply enter the email addresses you want to add in the provided field. This approach is perfect for adding a small number of subscribers directly. However, if you have a larger list, you'll probably want to use the second option, which is to upload a spreadsheet. Before proceeding, make sure that your list is formatted correctly in a CSV file. CSV, or comma separated values, is a standard format that's compatible with many platforms, including Substack. Ensure your CSV file only contains the email addresses without any additional information for a smooth import. Once your file is ready, look for the Select File to Upload button on the page. Clicking this will open a dialog box where you can navigate to the location of your CSV file on your computer. Select the file and then click Open or Upload depending on your system prompts. The upload might take a moment depending on the size of your list. Once it's complete, your subscribers will be added to your Substack account. And that's it, your email list is now successfully uploaded to Substack. Having your subscribers correctly imported means you're all set to hit that send button on your next newsletter, reaching your audience without any hassle. Remember, regularly updating your email list ensures that you're reaching out to a fresh and engaged audience every time. If you encounter any issues, you can always reach out to Substack's support resources for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your email list set up on Substack.